Hey guys, it's the Aviator Dude 55 here with a new video on how to do dual monitors on Flight Simulator X. So let's get started. Firstly, to be able to do dual monitors on Flight Simulator X, you're going to need to have a computer capable of having two video outputs. And what I mean by is either VGA, HDMI, or DMI. DMI is a white cable that's a little bit bigger than the VGA. An example of a VGA cable is right there, the big blue one. The second one I have on my computer is an HDMI port, which does then turn into a DVI, which runs to this bigger monitor. Some graphics cards, it all depends on what you have, will have two outputs. If you have a high performance graphics cards, whether if you have a laptop, a desktop PC, Mac, or whatever you have. Okay, so starting off with, once you plug in those two cables, your resolutions are going to be all messed up, and it's pretty much going to be duplicating the screens. To get out of that, you're going to start on your desktop. First things you're going to want to do is right click on your desktop, click Screen's Resolution. That's going to bring up the control panel. That's just a little shortcut rather than going down to the Start, Control Panel, and through Appearance and Personalization, adjust Screen Resolution. Either way, you get to the same place. So, you want to, first of all, identify your monitors. Well, as you can see, they're showing 2 and 3 because they're just duplicating. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is, first off the bat, what you're going to want to do, select Extend Desktop on 2 and 3. When you hit Apply, that's going to pretty much change everything. You want to go ahead and select Keep Changes. Make sure you have the best resolution for each monitor, as that will help in graphics looking better. After that, to make sure that it did work, is just take any ordinary panel in a browser and just drag it over to your other monitor. If that works, you've got 50% of the, well, basically mostly 100% of it set up for Flight Sim. Now, when you get Flight Simulator X started up, you're going to want to go ahead and go to your settings. When you're at your settings, go down to the Customize bar. When you get down to the Customize bar, go through all your settings, change it what you want. But the major thing you're going to want to change is your resolution. On your resolution, you're going to want to select the highest resolution there is on it. Once you get done with that, that's pretty much it. Hit OK, go through, save your settings, and after that you can go to your free flight so we can get it up, started, and test it out. Okay guys, now we're spawned in the A2A Cessna 172R model. So right now I'm in a mode called window mode, which allows you to have your desktop on this side and your flight sim running on this side. What this means is that I can run a Internet Explorer, Google Chrome, on the other side while flying. Another mode you can be in is full screen mode by hitting Alt Enter at the same time. What that allows you to do is just have a black screen where you can drag and have other stuff on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and select full screen mode. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and select one of your pop-up windows that can come up. Once it happens, right click, select Undock Window. All you gotta do, drag it over. There we go. Other things you can do is go into the views, select other things, and just drag them over. Like you can do quick radios. There you go. Right, so just to make sure that everything works, we're just going to go ahead and depart and show that we've got ground speed as well as every other thing working. So right now we're just going to go ahead and depart. Alright, we're going to start rolling here in about a second. Once I get my parking brake off here. Alright, we're rolling. As you can see here, our airspeed is definitely increasing as we move down the runway. Trying to steer with my rudders here while filming. Alright, there's 60 knots. Let's start coming back on the yoke. As we get off into the air, we're going to climb up. We're climbing through about, there's 81 knots ground speed. And as we climb, there we go. Yes, that's mainly it for the tutorial.